Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and enjoying your day so far. Today I am coming to you with 3 tropical tablescape ideas. I hope you enjoy. This video is part of a collab that I'm hosting, Tropical Tablescape. It's my 2nd year and my co-host is lovely Ellen over at the Glamour Ellen. She has a beautiful home, great sense of style, so if you like my channel you will love her channel. Definitely go and check it out and subscribe while you're at it. For my first tablescape I am using this tropical flower that I bought from HomeSense, and these tropical leaves are from GLAM. I'm going to be using other branches as well to create my beautiful centerpiece. This satin runner is from eBay and it was very inexpensive, and it's the perfect shade of pink, coordinating with my tropical flowers. And these leaves are from eBay, I believe. If you participated in this challenge, thank you so much. I cannot wait to watch your videos. Before I continue with the tablescape, I'm going to show you how I made my napkins. These tropical paper napkins are from Tesco. And these super glam rings, actually for cars, would you believe it, are from eBay. This ring is way smaller than a normal napkin ring, so I decided to pleat my napkin in order to fit it in. All done, let's continue with the tablescape. Inside these candle holders that I bought from HomeSense, I'll be using these pink acrylic gems to bring the pink on top as well. I'm using a tropical cushion cover for the centerpiece and a wooden leaf that I bought and spray painted from Hobbycraft. I bought this cushion cover from Turkey and it really goes well in this tablescape, and no one will know that it's the cushion cover. So this one is style number 1. I really love how these turned up. It's so beautiful. As I always say, you don't need a lot of money to have a beautiful home. You just need imagination, and for that you need inspiration. I hope you are getting loads of inspiration from my channel. For my second tablescape, I'm using this beautiful iridescent runner that I bought from eBay, I think, and napkins are from Zara Home. Napkin rings, I have no idea, I bought them last year. It has been well over a year since someone came for dinner. COVID situation is getting out of control once again in England, so I think we are going to wait a little more before we invite anyone over. How are things in your area? Let me know in the comments, please. You will probably remember these leaves that I painted last year for my tablescape, so I'm reusing them on a different style. I really love repurposing and reusing my items rather than every time buying new things. For my centerpiece, I'm using this tiny little cake stand and a charger plate on top, and I'm using this beautiful Zara Home flower placemat. Glittery pineapples are from House of Frasers, and it's perfectly coordinating with the rest of the table. And these beautiful iridescent candle holders are from the Rain store, and they still have it even though I bought it a couple of years ago, and I color coordinated the candles as well as iridescent gems. So this is my beautiful style number 2. I really love this flower arrangement as well. Orchid plants are from Amazon and the leaves are from the Rain store. And my third tablescape is full of pineapples. I just tweaked it and I really love this centerpiece as well. As well as tablescapes, I do interior design tips, DIYs, home decor, clean with me's, organize with me's. So if you like what you see, please do subscribe for more inspirational videos. Mirrored candle holders are from B&M store, and candles are from the Tiger store. Well, you know the question. Was it number 1, 2 or 3? Stole your heart. Don't forget to leave me a comment, please. I'm done, but you're not done yet. You are going to go to playlist to watch all the participants' videos for more inspiration, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.